Buying medical malpractice insurance can be a time-consuming, frustrating process. There are many different companies to choose from, policy types to understand, and coverage nuances that can make it difficult to really know if you are getting the best coverage at the best price. Today, we're going to talk about how to choose the right malpractice agent so that you can lean on a trusted advisor to help you navigate the malpractice insurance waters. Welcome to Malpractice Insights, the show dedicated to helping healthcare professionals understand medical malpractice insurance and providing you with the solutions you need so that you can get back to the work of practicing good medicine. My name is Jennifer Wiggins, CEO of Aegis Malpractice Solutions, and I'm so glad you've joined us today. If you're new to our channel, welcome. We're so glad you're here. We release a new episode every week, both on YouTube and your favorite podcast streaming platform, so be sure to like and subscribe to stay connected. Now, just a quick reminder again, before we jump in, we are here to provide general information on medical malpractice insurance and related topics, but not specific legal or insurance advice. So if you have a question about your practice or individual coverage needs, be sure to ask your agent or legal advisor, or contact us at aegismalpractice.com. That's AEGIS malpractice.com. We'd be happy to help. So, you need to buy malpractice insurance, but where do you even start? Without a guide, it can be time-consuming and frustrating for healthcare providers to shop around. For this reason, many doctors and medical groups choose to use an independent agent or broker to help them shop the market, compare options, and find the best fit for their practice. But before you go about selecting an agent, let's take a broader look at the difference between working with an agent versus working directly with a company. Independent agents do not work for any one company. They represent multiple companies, which gives them the ability to shop around and find the best fit for you. Having access to multiple companies also benefits you because it drives competition, resulting in better pricing or lower costs. A direct agent's first duty is to their employer. They are captive agents, and they can only offer malpractice solutions from one company. A doctor or a group would need to contact multiple different carriers on their own in order to get coverage options from lots of different companies to consider, which can be a time-consuming and tedious process. Not to mention the fact that most malpractice insurance companies don't even sell direct. So if you were to call them, they would actually refer you to an agent to work with anyways. Insurance policies aren't like typical consumer products where the same item can be sold for a different price through different means. Rates are filed with and regulated by the Department of Insurance in each state, and carriers do not have different rates for the business that they write direct versus the business that they write through an independent agent. Bottom line, it's the same price. With all of the benefits of using an agent, it just makes sense to leverage an agent's expertise and all of their carrier reach to get you a better product. Okay, so now you've decided that it's probably best for you to use an agent to help you with your malpractice coverage. So why not have multiple agents shop the market for you and have the best man win? Well, unfortunately, it's not that simple. There are several reasons why this approach not only doesn't work, but can actually hurt your chances of getting the best quote options to consider at your renewal. When a practice administrator or a doctor asks multiple agents to go to market for them, it instantly complicates the purchasing process, and you lose the leverage that you may have had by working with just one person. It creates an environment where the agent is trying to make the sale, as opposed to doing what's best for the client. And it becomes more about them making a commission dollar than it does about making the right insurance choice. So consider these 4 things. First, when insurance companies know that one agent has control over the decision with their client, they know that they have to give it their best shot to be considered. When multiple agents are representing multiple different carriers, the customer loses their leverage. Second, When you work with multiple agents, it can quickly become the wild, wild west. It's literally every man for themselves, and the agents can actually block markets from one another, manipulate submissions to make one carrier look better than the next, and it creates chaos during the quotation process. Third, when multiple agents are fighting for business, it becomes all about getting the sale instead of doing what's best for you. The agent is looking to become the broker of record, not necessarily prioritizing placing your business with the best carrier option. And number 4, working with multiple agents takes a lot of time. The doctor or the practice administrator will have to manage each agent, providing them with submission packets, answering all of the underwriting questions, signing all of the necessary forms, reviewing the quotes, and then asking for refinements and making sure it's a level playing field for everyone, and then ultimately trying to determine which broker and quote are the best. It's incredibly labor intensive if you go about it this way, and it typically does not give you the result that you want. The best course of action for you is to find and select one agent to represent your business in the marketplace. The right strategic partner for your practice will bring the knowledge, service, and resources that you need to get a simple, objective review of the entire malpractice market, with no bias or desperate attempts to try to place you with one company over another. Do your homework to find an agent that specializes in medical malpractice and has experience and knowledge in your state or region, and make sure they have access to the best carriers available. You should be able to trust your agent to represent you well, to understand your coverage needs, provide ongoing support, and help you find the insurance carrier that's the best fit for you, while ensuring that you're not overpaying. If you have any questions on this topic or you want to make sure that you're covered appropriately, click the link in the description box below where you can connect with us today via phone, email, or chat. And if you're listening, please visit us online at aegismalpractice.com. That's AEGIS malpractice.com. We have some great episodes lined up for you guys in the next few weeks. I really hope you found this one helpful. If so, could you do me a favor and leave a like and a review? And please be sure to subscribe to our show so that you can catch our next installment of Malpractice Insights, where we're dedicated to helping you understand medical malpractice insurance and providing you with the solutions you need so that you can get back to the work of practicing good medicine. This is Jennifer Wiggins. Thanks for joining us.